guys, it's fall time and it's Apple time. We have the much awaited phone of the season, Apple's latest iPhone 13, right here with us for unboxing. Lots of big upgrades in terms of battery, processor, cameras and other features. So let's get started and see what's inside the phone and what are some of the hits and misses. Now, as you can see, before I unbox this, the box is quite slim because, Apple's going the eco-friendly way. So no chargers and headphones are bundled or earphones are bundled inside. So credit to Apple where it's due. It's a recycled box, the phone design, and let's now unbox this. Here you can see the Apple iPhone 13 in all its glory. This is a pink color. It's a blush pink of sorts. I mean, it has a whitish shade to it, but nonetheless a new color that Apple has introduced. So we'll come to the phone in just a bit, but let's just see what else is there inside the box. So this is, of course, these are the usual suspects. You get a charging cable, and then let's see what's inside this. You get a SIM card ejector pin, booklet, just some paperwork, and of course this is an Apple logo sticker. I'll just keep it here for a bit, and you also get a clear case. This is of course supported by MagSafe wireless charging. So this is of course the clear case that comes in, and this is the space for MagSafe charging. This is of course the cutout for camera, this camera module that will come right here. So let's now look at the iPhone 13. Now this is the iPhone 13, guys. Just take a look at this. This is like absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. I'm going to turn it around to show you. Now there are a couple of things. The first thing is of course these diagonally placed cameras, both 12 megapixels each. So you get your power button on the right hand side, and of course volume up and down buttons right here. SIM card port here. This is the USB Type-C charging port and speakers. All of that. This has got also a glossy back, which is a pretty regular thing with Apple iPhones. Gives it a nice premium feel, although it is a fingerprint magnet, but I think you can use this case and it should be fine like this. So looking at the screen, guys, this of course is a marvelous 6.1 inches screen. This is flat and it has aluminum sides with a dash of pink. Interestingly, this is a pink color. It might not be very clear to you because it is in a shade of white. This is more like blush pink. The battery, it's a tad thicker also. If you realize the phone, if you notice, the phone is a tad thicker, but that's because of the bigger battery. And other than that, the base level of the iPhone actually starts at 128 GB instead of 64 GB. So that's another great thing. There's some aesthetic changes that have been brought in as far as the cameras are concerned. They're not vertically placed but diagonally placed, and of course these are very prominent. So they're jutting out, they're coming out and making their presence felt. Now these are two 12 megapixels each sensors. Not just these cameras, but the overall full phone is the A15 Bionic chipset, which handles gaming, video viewing and multitasking with equal ease. So I'm going to show you the display right now. So this is what the display looks like. Currently where I'm sitting at, there's a whole lot of light, but still the icons, the text, everything is crystal clear. Now let me show you some of the pictures that I clicked. This is of course the front camera selfie that I clicked, and I'm zooming it, but still there's no loss of quality. Another picture, like this was the photograph that was clicked. Again, a very great photograph, great details, great color contrast, everything looks great. And of course this is the slow motion shot that we took using the phone's slow-mo video effect. Now remember, the camera has some very interesting features like the photographic mode, which has it allows you to customize your video capturing experience, and then there is a cinematic mode as well. So seems like a great phone that's definitely future ready, but we will let you know more about this phone in our detailed review.